Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. As promised to you guys, today I am in this room going to do another Christmas holiday decor. I love decorating this room because it is an easy room to flip and decor. The color scheme for this decor is gold and crystal, so it's gonna be super glam. I'm super excited about that. I would love it if you stick around till the end. I am happy that my son Ryan is gonna be helping me out today. Using this garland that I got from Joanne. It came with these pine cones. I did not like them for this look, so I removed them. To cover the entire length, I use a total of 3 and then I loop it in the middle. My Noel signs are from Hobby Lobby. I'm using 2 of them. I got them at 50% off from Hobby Lobby. Last time I was there, they had a sale going on, 50% off on all Christmas decor. Check them out. On Amazon, I will leave a link for you guys below. Also, I'm gonna be using my Glam reindeer from Hobby Lobby as part of my centerpiece. One of the downsides of decorating for the holidays, glitters are everywhere. My son is doing such a great job at cleaning the table for me as I am putting the centerpiece together. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload Glam home decor videos and DIY. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. I'm saying a big thank you to all of my returning Glam squad. Please stay tuned at the end of the video for the giveaway announcement. It was time for me to go help my other son with his homework. I did not finish decorating that night. I had to finish it the next day. When I came back to it the next day, I finished the table off camera. So let me show you what I have so far. I have these beautiful ornaments from Hobby Lobby. I really love them. They are so gorgeous. I'm using a total of 4 of them on the table. I also added these Glam branches that I got from Joanne. And holiday candle holders from Home Goods. For my place setting, we're doing a total of 8. I'm using this gold Glam placemat, super cute, from Century 21. Clear charger from Amazon with gold rim. Clear plates from the dollar store. My favorite plates in the house. I use them all the time. They are so versatile, so beautiful, and even glam. And I'm using the small plates from Home Goods with the gold border to match the chargers. For my napkins, I found a little treasure at Hobby Lobby. Was $40 for the set, but they were on sale at 50% off, so $20. I love the packaging, I love the glam, I love everything about them, guys. Guys, I was thinking of doing a video showing different fun ways to fold the napkin for the holiday season. Please let me know if you are interested. I'm using this champagne glass. I got mine from Home Goods and TJ Maxx. This is my new baby from Home Goods. They came in a pack of 6. And I'm using these snowflakes as a coaster. For the head chairs, I'm using the same placemat and chargers, but I'm changing the plates to these beautiful ones from Home Goods. I got them many years ago. For my water glasses, I'm using these holiday glasses from Macy's Backstage. Guys, check out these new wine glasses from Home Goods. My goodness. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you already know how I feel about them. I was able to get 2. I need minimum 8 more. I'm using my crystal candle holders, 1 on each side. Now we're going to be setting up the console table. This is the vase that I'm going to be using. It is from Home Goods, Super Glam. The gallery carries them. They are much more expensive over there. I need to invest in some floral foam, but I'm using papers this time to support the flowers at the bottom of the vase. These are the picks I'm going to be using. They are from Hobby Lobby. Candle holders from Amazon. And there is no glam of anything in this house without using my Glam candles from Macy's Backstage. I've decided to place the vase higher, so I'm gonna be using my Glam DIY bags. To complete the look, I added my gold mirror and some other gold wall art on the side of this wall and by the window. On top of the window, I added a wreath from Joanne. On the curtains, I'm using my holiday curtain tie back from Amazon. I throw 2 pillows on one of the chairs. The off-white one is from Home Goods. The gold one pillowcase from Amazon. We are done. Let's see the final look. Guys, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. Okay, my beautiful Glam Squad, let's talk about the giveaway. First, let me say a huge thank you to all of you, my new and my existing Glam squad. We are at 10,000 subscribers. I am so excited. I am over the moon. You guys have been so loyal and give me so much love. I am so blessed to have you guys. I'm giving away 2 home goods gift cards at $50 each. I know it's not a lot, but I want to show you guys that I am grateful and I appreciate you all. Now, these are the rules. Number 1, you must be a subscriber. Number 2, you must live in the US. Number 3, comment in this video. Number 4, click on the link below to register for the giveaway. The giveaway is going to last 2 weeks. Next week, I will be announcing the first winner in one of my videos, and the following week I will be announcing the second winner, so you must be watching. Once I call your name, you're going to have 3 days to respond, otherwise I will be picking somebody else. Good luck to all of you, and once again thank you from the bottom of my heart. With that said, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Guys, I have a lot of things coming up. I have a master bathroom and bedroom tour. I have family room makeover. I have guest bathroom makeover. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything once I upload. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.